Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the emergence of COVID-19 has emphasized the fact how unregulated exploitation of natural resources coupled with unsustainable food habits and consumption patterns as we witnessed in wet market lead to destruction of systems that support human life. India is a mega diverse country rich in biodiversity and associated traditional knowledge. With just 2.4% of the world's landmass, with only 4% of fresh rainwater resources, and still to feed 18% of human as well as cattle population of the world, we have 8% of world's recorded species, and even whilst this is the mega diversity country. I am happy to inform that August gathering that in the course of last decade, India has enhanced the combined forest and tree cover with nearly 25% of the total geographical area of the country. We now have highest number of tigers in wild. It has doubled in 11 years. We have also announced the launch of Project Lion and Project Tiger, Project Dolphin. So that we have already announced. India aims to restore 26 million hectares of degraded land. It's a huge target, an ambitious one. And I don't think that any other country has declared this much in the COP, which happened in New Delhi. India has already set aside an extensive area for meeting of conservation objectives, contributing to Aichi Biodiversity Targets 11 and SDG 15. India has a robust legal and institutional setup for biodiversity governance and an established system for access and benefit sharing provisions of the CBD. India has a network of 250,000 biodiversity management committees across the country involving local people and 170,000 people's biodiversity registers for documentation of biodiversity. In view of the Global Biodiversity Outlook report presented recently by CBD, we have no option left except to join hands and to conserve and protect nature. India believes that in 15th Conference of Parties to the CBD scheduled in 2021 for adoption of post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework provides a unique opportunity. India has already been taking leadership role in biodiversity conservation by hosting 2 COPs back to back in less than a year. UNCCD COP in September 19 and CMS COP in February 2020. Excellencies, on the occasion and the start of UN Decade of Action and Delivery for Sustainable Development, let us join our efforts to put nature at the heart of our recovery plan and realize the vision of living in harmony with nature. I thank you.